Hi everyone, welcome to the Vale of Welshman and welcome to the stunning Hensol forest. I come along, we're doing local lockdown restrictions, so in the Vale of Glamorgan we locked down, and I thought I'd come out and explore, well, this gorgeous forest. Never been here before, so it's all new, and I've got other motives for being here, and which I'll explain more later in the video. But yeah, welcome along, and look at this, another glorious day, and autumn has truly arrived, which is one of my favourite times of year, so I'm going to enjoy this one, so hopefully you do too. So yeah, like I said, Hensol Forest, that's where I am today. Just gone on a nice walk. Been cooped up in the house for the last month, working on the kitchen. Something that me and my girlfriend have been doing together. On it by ourselves, so it's required a lot of our time. But finally put the last thing in yesterday, minus a few minor things to do like tiling and plinth, but we're there, you know, so it's good to get out and enjoy the fresh air. So yeah, Hensol Forest, nice well established circular path on what is like a really nice pine tree forest. You've seen a few clips with a bit of a whack in as well, which is a bit of a clue of why I'm actually out today and come to this area in particular. But you know, it's another great opportunity for me to get out in the local areas and explore what's on my doorstep, because we are again in local restrictions in the Vale, so you know, I can't leave the Vale of Glamorgan. So it's a good opportunity and I'm enjoying it. You can see it's a well established bridleway, there's horse manure everywhere, and a good bike trail as well, so for mountain bikes. But I've seen loads of kids out there, so it's good to see them out enjoying. There's a family went out by that bivouac, the kid was in their elements, so there's a den. So good to see them out. Hopefully they make their own dens. But this is stunning. I've never been here before, and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm hoping to leave Hensol Forest, so we've got to cross the road in a bit, and there's another woodland that's closer to Welsh St Donats, and there's a lake there, and I'm looking to have a look around that lake and potentially find some wild camp spots for the future, which is one of my main reasons for being in this area. So my birthday last month, so I've got myself a new hammock and some tarps and all that, so I'm going to put them to use with this local restriction. You know, it's a good opportunity to use them quite local as well, so but yeah. Let's try to find another way around. Oh, I'm a little bit annoyed now. I'm not 100% sure whose responsibility it is to maintain public rights of way on your land, but just went through that farm road, and there's two styes that do go two different ways, obviously, but both of them, one was left overgrown with like proper hawthorn bushes, so there's no way I could get through that. The other one, the start was quite rotten, but you know, I could get over it. But when you got over it, I should have clipped now, but it's just like everything, load of rubbish dumped there, so you can't get past. And then it's obviously clearly their back garden, so obviously that's not the right of way, so they blocked everything up here. And one of the gates was padlocked up, so yeah, I'm not best pleased. It means I'm having to change my route, which is like a growing trend in the Vale, which is a shame. But never mind, I'm going to enjoy it. So I just got to go back on myself. I'm on the farm track out of here. Yeah, and then I'm going to follow the road back a bit. Back to where I went past the pond, Hensol pond, where they do carp and coarse fishing. And then I am going to head through the forest and then rejoin my route a bit further west, not east, sorry. So yeah, I'm gutted, so annoyed. Never mind, onwards. Now, where I felt I had every right to be annoyed at the blocked public rights of way on some of the farms back there and reroute my walk, maybe it was for a good reason, because I wouldn't have come this way and got this incredible view. It's overlooking the Vale of Glamorgan and onto Cardiff, Caerphilly and up to the valleys. It's just in stunning view. You can see the Millennium Stadium, or the Principality Stadium as it is now. But oh, I got lucky here. It's I've forgotten everything now. I'm happy. But yeah, this is a good reward for my patience. Wow, look at that. That's why I get out and explore. You know, that's what you hope for when you come out on these walks. You're finding this something special. I got lucky, I think I have this time. Gonna have a 5-minute break there now. I've been walking non-stop for 2.5, nearly 3 hours. So you know, it's only a 10k walk, but well, it's planned to be. But I've taken my time. I've stopped and had a look at some photos, but I haven't really stopped walking. So, but other than the few blocked rights of way, it's been a really nice walk. The beautiful Hensol forest, which I recommend anyone go and have a walk around. You can make it as short or as long as you like. Nice car park there for convenience. So there's loads of car parks actually all spotted around at different points of entrances. So thank you for watching. It's been a bit of an odd walk, in terms of not what I normally film, but hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.